Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. So today we're just doing a quick little overview of my YouTube stock portfolio here. So I just got paid out for the month of June. I believe it was $244.90 roughly. So I took most of that money here and I put that into iShares S&P 500 value, which is an IVE. It's called on the ticker. So it's a value fund, and right now, as it sits, I should have, if it loads, $569.75 in my YouTube portfolio over the course of 3 months. So not bad, especially for a small channel. You know, my channel only has a little over 1,000 subscribers on it. And I like to do this stuff because I like to share my life a little bit and, make money at it. What the hell, right? So I figured with everything going on right now, it's July, end of July of 2024. We've got the Olympics, we've got politics, we've got Biden stepping out of the race, we've got Trump almost being assassinated here. A lot of different stuff is going on. We've got middle of the summer, gas prices, everything like that. So we've got a lot of different stuff, geopolitical and political and just everything going on right now in the end of July. And I figured I would make a safe investment this time. I already have a ton of NVIDIA shares here in my other portfolio, so I wanted to expand it a little bit. I've got a ton of IVE, which is the iShares S&P 500 value index or fund here. IVE, of course. It's a great it's really a great fund to get into, and there's a lot of different as we look at it here, there's a lot of different companies that it is invested in. Of course, it is a by BlackRock. I've been investing in IVEs for about 10 years now. I'm 26, going to be 27, so at about 17 I started investing. And I have to say, that's when I first got into IVE, IVW, and IVV. It was from Fidelity before, and now it switched over to BlackRock. So I'm very happy here with my decision to purchase IVE IVE. Sorry about that. And as you can see here, over the course of a year, how much it has grown over the course of 5 years. And really, over the course of, I don't know if you could see its lifetime, but which you can't. But even over the course of 5 years, I've been steadily buying this since essentially way before this. And it's crazy right now. You can see the dip of COVID-19, and it's crazy to see the hype of this even before COVID-19. But even so, it's grown since then. And yes, we've had some dips along the way. It always seems like October is a big dip in the market. It always seems like that. So with that being said, I invest in IVE. I'm probably going to do an IVV and an IVW, and then I'm going to get into some different types of stocks out there, dividend paying, of course, maybe get into oil, anything like that. Again, I'm not looking to make a major amount of money here off of the measly $200 I get off of YouTube, but hey, if that $200 can grow and grow and grow over the course of many years, maybe when I'm 40, 50, 60, and now I'm still, doing this YouTube thing and trying to make a little bit of side cash off of it, then hey, that's a good thing. That means I can have money for a house when I get older, or have money saved up for retirement so I can afford to live the lifestyle that I want to when I get older. It's more of a mental security than anything else. But if we look at IVE, I'm hoping here on the website, there we go, top 10 holdings here. So top 10 holdings in IVE, you're looking at Berkshire Hathaway B, JP Morgan Chase, Exxon, Johnson & Johnson, United Health Group, Walmart, Bank of America, Chevron, Procter & Gamble, and Costco. So again, these top 10 holdings are about 20% of its 443 holdings in there, which is great. So again, this is off of the S&P 500 essentially, and you're going to get growth in the S&P 500. It always goes up. It's gone up for a long time. And now I feel good about investing in IVE just because I've seen only anything but growth. I've seen growth and growth and growth ever since 10 years ago. So it's nice to see that. And as a younger investor as it is right now, I'm not seeing thousands and thousands of dollars of gain every day, but I'm seeing enough to, have when you have a $5,000 gain or loss over the course of a few days, that gets a little stressful. So one thing is for sure is that anything invested in IVE, IVW, or IVV has been steady for me over the course of the long term. And now getting some steadfast increases in my YouTube portfolio really allows me to, take a chance on other investments. So once I get IVE and some of those other iShares up, then I feel like I'll be able to, have some fun with some different stocks, have some fun with some dividend-paying stocks, some oil companies, stuff like that, and then see how that is, and really be a good basis to use this YouTube portfolio into my real portfolios that I depend on for my living. So, I think this is a good way to do it, and truthfully, I can't say enough about IVE. So that's kind of the second stock that I got into, second little fund that I got into. And I've been very happy with it so far. I've really been very happy with it. If you look at it, of course, the last 5 days has been very volatile. The last month has been very volatile, up and down and up and down. But if you look at the last year, you can see that, starting out at about 160, now we're almost up to 190. So you've seen growth over the last year. And of course, you always get that lull in October. So I'm betting this number in October is going to go down to about 170, maybe 160, just because of that, drop, the October drop, basically, is what I call it. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. We're at $569.75 whole cents in my YouTube portfolio. So guys, that's going to do it for me. I am no stock expert. I am no market expert by any means. I just own a business. I do YouTube on the side, and I'm just trying to think of ways to make my money work for me. So with that being said, guys, we will see you in the next episode. Take care.